Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. In this video, we're talking about the best baguette baking tray you can find, the KITESSENSU Nonstick Baguette Pan for French bread baking. If you're someone who loves fresh, homemade baguettes with a golden, crispy crust, this pan is the perfect addition to your kitchen. This baguette pan is designed to bake 2 loaves of French bread at once, making it incredibly convenient for those of you who love to bake in bulk or want to impress with freshly baked baguettes for a gathering. With dimensions of 15 inches by 6.3 inches, it's compact enough to fit into most home ovens, yet still provides enough space to get that perfect baguette shape. What makes this pan stand out is its perforated design. The tiny holes throughout the tray allow for excellent air circulation, which results in a perfectly crispy crust. The non-stick surface ensures that your bread slides right out, and the heavy-duty carbon steel construction means this pan is built to last. You won't have to worry about warping, even with high temperatures. The KITESSENSU baguette pan is ideal for more than just traditional French bread. You can get creative and bake rolls, ciabatta, or any other bread that requires a crispy crust. It's also designed to help shape the bread, giving your loaves that perfectly rounded bottom and ensuring even baking all around. With the curved grooves, your baguettes will have that authentic, professional look. For those concerned about cleanup, this pan is incredibly easy to maintain. Simply hand wash it to preserve its non-stick coating, and it'll keep serving you for years. And with a 10-year warranty, KITESSENSU stands by the quality of this product, offering you peace of mind for your baking adventures. This pan is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their bread baking game. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, the KITESSENSU Nonstick Baguette Pan ensures your homemade baguettes come out perfect every time. So, if you're ready to start baking your own fresh baguettes and other artisan breads, this baguette pan is a must-have in your kitchen. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more reviews and product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. Happy baking!